Ken here with Gardening Simplified. It's still May 14th. My baby's been out here picking her green beans. Got a pretty good bit this time. She had been getting just a little bit. We had a small amount of green beans that we planted early in the greenhouse. And we'll go take a look at these. They're pretty much playing out. Green beans produce heavy for a while. Then a lot of times they kind of stop and then they'll start flowering again. There are some flowers there, but she pretty much thinks this bunch is done. There are occasional beans that, a couple of days that might be big enough to pick. Those of you that don't grow your own green beans, you don't know what you're missing, because I like green beans, but canned green beans and fresh picked green beans aren't the same as far as the processed store-bought canned ones. Now, when we can them at home, we've got a lot of comments on how good they are. But this is the new batch. And this about 40, 45, well, it might be 40 foot now. We kind of shortened things up. But this one is just starting into production. That's why she got so many. But you can see all the blooms on it. We showed some of those on the garden updates. But they're just going crazy now. She ought to be able to get enough. We'll do some canning on some. Of course, we'll eat some, but that's way more than we can eat. And we like green beans year round. But green beans are a quick crop, so you might consider putting these in. You don't have to have a big old long row like this, but if you plan to can, you do need to get a pretty good bunch, because you don't want to keep them refrigerated very long before you can them, because the flavor can change sitting in the refrigerator for a while. But the way they're doing now, we ought to be canning up some here pretty quick. But anyway, consider that. Put you in some green beans. Taste what real food tastes like. Give it a big thumbs up. Enjoy that gardening experience.